In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Netflix on your computer. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now here I'm on my computer and I'd like to go ahead and install Netflix app on my computer. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over down here on Microsoft Store and then click on it to open Microsoft Store. Now from here, you can see I have the Netflix program here. I can simply tap on get it. Alternatively, if you can see the Netflix app here, go ahead and search it on top here and then click on it. And here we go. Our Netflix program is available for download. To download it, go ahead and click on get. And this will proceed and download Netflix app and then install it on your computer. Once the download is done, go ahead and tap on open. And this will go ahead and launch your Netflix app on your computer or on your laptop. So if you liked this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also like this video. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.